In this video, we are going to solve a past GCE question, that is GCE Advanced Level June 2018. So we have a question. It says M is a 3 by 3 matrix given by that matrix. So given that M is a singular matrix, we should show that 3x squared minus 2x minus 36 is equal to 0. So they have told us something. They said M is a singular matrix. Now, what is a singular matrix? So if you don't know what a singular matrix is, then you will not be able to solve this question. So what is a singular matrix? A singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is equal to 0. And if the determinant is equal to 0, that means the matrix has no inverse. So that is what they are trying to tell us here. So they are trying to tell us that given that the determinant of M is equal to 0, show that 3x squared minus 2x minus 36 is equal to 0. So the only thing that we have to do here is not difficult. We have to find the determinant of M and equate it to 0. So in the process of simplifying that determinant, we should come out with 3x squared minus 2x minus 36. So let's start the solution. So we have to find the determinant. So let me write down the matrix. 3, 4, 0, 1x plus 2, 1, 2x minus 4, 4x minus 4. Okay, so this is the matrix. Now let's look for the determinant. We write our signs: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now we choose a row. So I've already seen the row that I'm going to choose. The first row has a 0, so I will choose it to make things better for me. So I will choose the first row. So let's start with the first number, plus 3. Now we delete its row, we delete its column. What are we left with? X plus 2, 1, 4, and x minus 4. Write it down. X plus 2, 1, 4, x minus 4. Take the next number, 4, but it has a minus sign, so we take note. We delete its row, delete its column. What are we left with? 1, 1, 2x minus 4, and x minus 4. We write it down. 1, 1, 2x minus 4, x minus 4. We take the next number, 0. We delete its row, delete its column. What are we left with? 1, x plus 2, 2x minus 4, and 4. We write it down. So 1, x plus 2, 2x minus 4, and 4. So we go ahead and simplify. So it's a 2 by 2 matrix, so we find the determinant. So x plus 2 into x minus 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 4 now into 1 times x minus 4 minus 1 times 2x minus 4 plus 0. 0 times anything would give you 0, so we eliminate this, and that is why I chose 0 to make things easier. So now we simplify. Plus 3 into, so let me open the bracket. You have x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8, now minus 4. Minus 4 into x minus 4 minus 2x plus 4, now plus 0. So since we had that the determinant is equal to 0, so we equate this to 0, equate this to 0, and equate this to 0. So let's continue simplifying. So we have to simplify till we end up with 3x squared minus 2x minus 36 equal to 0. So let's take note. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 2x. They are like terms, so we simplify it. So minus 2x. Now minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. Go to the next bracket. We bring like terms together. So we have x minus 2x, which is minus x, and we have minus 4 plus 4, which is plus 0. Now plus 0 equal to 0. We go on. As long as we can simplify further, then we continue simplifying. So now let us open this bracket. So 3 times x squared, 3x squared minus 6x, 3 times minus 12 minus 36. Now minus 4 into minus x equals to 0. Let's continue. 3x squared minus 6x minus 36 plus 4x equal to 0. Let's continue. We can already see what we are looking for. So 3x squared, we bring like terms together. So we can simplify minus 6x plus 4x. So that will give us minus 2x minus 36 equal to 0. This is what we are looking for. This is what we are supposed to prove. And that is all for the question. Very short and very simple. So when solving this type of question, we should remember that a singular matrix means that the determinant is equal to 0. That means the matrix does not have an inverse. So we should always remember that. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.